In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to hide channels from Roku TV. Let's get started. If a channel keeps popping up in search, delete it from your Roku home screen. Navigate to the channel title you want gone. Home screen. Press the star option button on your remote. Select remove channel and confirm. Reboot your Roku to clear any lingering remnants. This nukes it from your system and keeps it out of your search results too. Next, hide streaming channels from live TV guides only. This does not affect search results within Roku's general app search, but it scrubs streaming listings when you are browsing live TV. Go to Settings, TV Inputs, Broadcast TV, select Manage Channels. Tick the box for hide streaming channels. This removes the clutter from your live TV guide. And that's it. This way you can hide channels from Roku TV search results. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.